working on the back seat speakers. A pain in the butt. Whew. From the back, I had to cut the wire, so I'll be rewiring it with the new speaker. But the back ones are not easy. You see how much space I got to work with? And scratched my hands up something serious. I would give more information, but I'm about tired. These haven't been easy at all. Okay, so that has been unhooked from the inside, so it's loose. I had to go ahead and cut the cords because it's different cords that I'm connecting to it. So here comes my back to the inside of the car. Oh, bad speakers out. And old speaker, new speaker. My cheating way of exposing wire. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. Ready for magic?
Just press rewind, 'cause he don't understand that you one of a kind.